And catch with Auntie Jen?
Alright, hold on.
Catch me.
Okay.
Alright, ready?
He's
Yes.
throwing and I'm filming.
Okay, okay.
Try it again. Look at that.
Oh, good
Whoa.
job!
Now,
Auntie
Phil,
Jen,
go
did
show
you
Aunt Jen
here?
where she is.
Here's Auntie Jen sitting right there.
Alright, get the ball again. So throw it up real high.
Is this my best side?
Yes, I think it is. Ready? Oh, try it again. Hold on.
Maybe. Oh, good catch. Do you want to try throwing it to Aunt Jen and see if she can catch it?
No, you, Daddy.
She says she's ready.
Okay, here it comes. Right into the camera.
What? Don't do that. You're going to break Aunt Jen.
Yeah, don't.
It's coming right to you. Come on, throw it. Daddy, watch my dad. Watch my dad.
What? What do you want me to do?
Oh, put your Daddy.
What? What do you want me to do?
Auntie Jen. Watch this.
You want me to throw it up high?
Yeah, watch.
Alright, ready?
Watch.
Whoa.
Higher than that. Watch.
Whoa.
Watch. Did you see that?
That is amazing, isn't
Higher
it?
than that.
Alright, ready? Hold on.
Oh my God.
Oh,
Look how he turned.
oh, oh! Look at that.
See?
Isn't that
No,
crazy?